Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image and opening the right screen. You need a 512 x 512 or 192 x 192 PNG or ICO. Smaller is fine, but keep it crisp. Then log into WordPress and go straight to Appearance, then Customize, then Site Identity. This is where the site icon lives. Once there, click Select Site Icon and choose Upload Files if needed. Make sure you have FTP or hosting access standing by in case the media library throws permission errors. That saves time. Next, you upload and crop the icon. Click Select Site Icon, choose Upload Files, then select Files, or pick an image already in the media library. WordPress will offer a crop interface. Use it to center faces, logos, or key shapes so the icon reads well at favicon size. Once cropped, press Select and Publish to apply changes. Also add alt text and use a descriptive file name to help with caching and identification, because that prevents stale or wrong icons showing up. Finally, publish and verify the change. Click Publish in the customizer, then clear any caching plugins and your browser cache so you see the update immediately. Check the icon on desktop and mobile, in multiple browsers, and in a private window to confirm. If the old icon persists, flush your CDN, rename the file and reupload, or upload via FTP to replace the server copy. That usually resolves stubborn caching issues. If permissions block uploads, adjust file ownership or contact host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.